Got a quick module bearing replacement guide here, just in regards to a question asked on the FarmFix chat AI tool. So to pull the module apart, obviously you've got to remove it from the cutter bar there. We've got previous videos on how to do this. Undo the 46mm nut. It is Loctited on, so it will be tight. Underneath there's a gear there with a circlip. Take that off. You'll need a bearing separating tool for this part. Take the top flange off and extract the key, and then the same for the underside. Take the gear off and extract the key there too. Do bear in mind that these are two different sizes, the long one for the flange and the short one for the gear. From there you're able to press it out either way. One bearing will remain on the shaft and the other inside the housing. You'll be able to press them off and knock it out of the housing. For reassembly, do keep in mind that that shaft has to be orientated correctly. So if you have the flange sitting as if it was on the cutter bar, the threaded side will be up. There is a good shoulder halfway up the shaft and inside the housing, so you can't press the bearings too far, they'll butt up against the shoulders. Press your flange and the gear back on. When you go to tighten the nut up, put a bit of blue Loctite on the threads, and you can just do that up tight with your rattle gun. That's approved by the factory, that. And then lastly, it is good practice to replace the O-ring, which is underneath. And that's it.